example 11, and 16, and 18, $19, and $20. Okay. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, 11. Example 11 is 50% of 2 and 200% of 5. Which one is greater? I think we already explained this one is the same, but we can figure it out. This one, 50 times 1 over 100 times 2 is cancel out, and this one cancel out 10, 10 each side, so they are same. Okay, 16 is A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, B is greater than A is greater than 0. So A and B are both positive. Which one is greater? 8% of 1 over B is greater or less than B percent of 1 over A. Okay, we're gonna use the same your experience. So A times 1 over 100 is right there. A times 1 over B is A over B. This one is the same as 1 over 100, and the B times 1 over A is B over A. Then from condition B is greater than A, so B is greater than A, so this is gonna be this is a less value than compared to this, right? So this part is greater than this. Okay. Next one is this one, number 18. Okay, this water is, we don't know the water how much in there, so I simply say X. Then sugar is 20% of this, so 0.2X. So double the sugar, that is quantity is 0.4X. Then what is the percentage for this? So tricky thing is, okay, the volume increase, right? X was X then added 0.2X, right? Not 0.4X, 0.2X. Then sugar is 0.4X over there. So once you calculate this from bottom there, this is common factor X, pull out the common factor X, X times 1 plus 0.2. So X cancel out, then 0.4 divided by 1.2, that's going to be a 0.3 number, decimal. So decimal unending number, so 33 point never ending in a percent. Okay, next one is this. Number 19, A is greater than A. A is K percent of A square. So we're gonna figure it out. This value is greater than 50 or less than. Okay, so from there, this one A and A square cancel out. From this part, K will be 100 over A. But restriction conditions say A is simply greater than 1. So for example, A is 3, this is much bigger than this, but A is 1,000, so 50 is greater than this, so we cannot make a decision. So in your exam, make sure restriction carefully, then you can decide it. Okay, that's tricky things. Next one is 20. Okay, 20. Okay, Judy has, originally has X dollar, Adam has a Y dollar. Then Judy gives, half of this 50% of her money to Adam. So Adam, now Judy has automatically, Judy has half of her money, so 0.5x. Adam has Y plus 0.5x, right? Then condition is, restriction given information is, Judy has a 20% of Adam right now. So question is, okay, 75% of Adam original Adam, dollar is greater than 150% of Judy originally has it. So we can figure it out right there. So this sentence we're gonna interpret into math term. 75% is 1 over 100 over y. Is it greater or less than 150% 1 over 100 x? Okay, x. Judy has 50 x amount dollar initially. Then let me see this one. Then we can figure it out. So thing is, we can change to y by terms of x, right? So from given condition, after Judy gave 50% of her money, that's going to be 20% of Adam. So Judy has a 0.5x is 20% of Adam. Adam this much has it right now. So once you figure it out, this one is a 0.5x equal this is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5y times 1 over 5 times 0.5x is 0.0x, right? Distribution. Then we're going to move this part over there, So 0.4x is 1 over 5y. From there, we're going to times 5 each side. So that's going to be a 2x. This is going to be a y. So y is 2x. Then we're going to plug this number over there. That is 75% of y is 2x. Then, let me see this one. Let me a little bit zoom out. No, zoom out. Okay, let me zoom out. Oops, zoom out. Okay. Now, Judy has 150% of her money original. So just simply write the 150 times 1 over 100. So once you calculate this right there, 100 is 1 over 100 there, 100 right there, 75 2 is 150, so 150. So they are same. So they are equally same right now. Okay, we're gonna do a little vocabulary. 스티그마는 스틱에서 나온 말이야. 스틱 이렇게 탁 찍는다. 저번에 브랜드 있죠, 브랜드. 이거의 동사는 스티그마타이즈. 그러니까 나쁘게 오점을 남긴다 그런 겁니다. 스티그마, 스티그마타이즈. 스틱에서 나온 말입니다. tuition은 여러분이 학교 가면 tuition fee라고 그러죠. 가리키는 거를 이 tuition이라고 해요. intuition 그러면은 이렇게 가리켜서 금방 알 수 있는 거. 누가 쉽게 가리키는 거 intuition, intuitive, very 쉽게 가리킨다. 그래서 insight, perception이라고 그래요. 아는 거, 금방 아는 거. 여러분이 잘 아는 프로펠은 프로펠러에서 나온 말이죠. propulsion, 이것도 pulse는 똑같은 말이에요. expulsion, explode 다 여기서 나온 말이에요. propulsion 그러면 확 이렇게 propel 이렇게 확 이게 로켓가 propulsion 이렇게 가스 올리는 거 그런 거 생각하면 돼요. misdemeanor는 이 demeanor의 뜻은 behave예요. 근데 misdemeanor는 경범을 얘기하는 경범. crime은 중범. 그래서 misdemeanor 경범입니다. 여러분이 revert은 뭐냐면 이게 거절한 일이죠. 이거 우리가 얘기했잖아. but 그러면 그러나 그러면서 반대말하죠. 반대 그 네거티브 revert 그러니까 거절한다 이렇게 한다 그런 뜻이에요. 거기서 나면 refute는 beat 이렇게 beat 하는 거 때리는 거 다시 때린다 그러니까 전부 reject, deny, confute 똑같은 말이에요. 거절하다 그런 뜻이에요. pre-cause 이건 좀 외워야 되는데 pre는 before의 뜻이고 cause의 뜻 causer. pre-cause는 이 course에서 난 말이에요. cursor 여러분이 컴퓨터 할 때 cursor 그런 거 있죠. cursor 이게 course run 하니까 precursor니까 미리 알 수 있다 그런 뜻이에요. precursor. mitigate 이건 말에 대해서 나온 거예요. 근데 unmitigated 그러면은 이렇게 부드럽지 않은 거. 그래서 이 아주 완강한 걸 갖다 unmitigated, persistent. mitigate에서 나온 말인데 mitigate는 mild에서 나온 거예요. 오케이. nice 이건 뭐 여러분이 nice 좋다. nicety 이건 noun 명사. 그러면 이 precise, concise 이 size의 뜻은 컷이에요. cut. precise에 따면 정확히 잘 잘랐다. precision. 그래 concise는 간략하다. concise dictionary, concise 그런 뜻이에요. 이게 size는 컷이에요. 그래서 season, excision, in season 다 거기서 나오는 말입니다. 오케이, thank you.